Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. These are subscription boxes that you can get monthly, and they're pretty rad. So let's check this one out. I believe this is the January 2021 Umai crate. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright. So when you get one of these, the first thing you're going to see is this informative pamphlet, and as you can see, it's the January 21 Umai crate. Look inside, you will be greeted by information about everything that's in here. If you can't read Japanese or know how to decipher instant noodle packaging from Japan on how to prepare and all that, they're not all the same, so don't lose this. This will have all that info for you. And if I'm not mistaken, on the back panel of this, that's one of my bowls. Cool. You also get a recipe card. Alright, so I'm going to go through these one by one and see what we got. First off, we've got a spicy kitakata ramen. I believe these are, what's the deal with these? They're authentic, spicy umakara flavor, flat and wrinkled, thick noodles. Yeah, these, I've seen a few of this variety before, and they're pretty good. Nice quality. Next up, we've got a Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is a shrimp tempura soba. And so this is just going to be a really shrimpy cup. Next up, we've got some itsuki hakata ramen. This is going to be like a really nice tonkatsu. I've had this before, and it is brilliant stuff. If you like thick, rich, porky bone broth and all that, this is a good one. So yeah. Next up, we've got this udon dappy. I don't know exactly how it's pronounced, but this is like a seaweed ramen, or is it ramen? Or is it udon? So this is an udon. Thick floppy noodles, and it's got a strong seaweed flavor, so check it out. Next up, we've got a bowl from, I think it's Daikoku, this is seaweed spicy ramen. So basically, like it says, it's seaweed and it's spicy, and it's a big one, so if you like a lot of noodles, here you go. Here's something I've not seen before. They're calling these malini noodles. It says these malini noodles, harusame type, are from Hokkaido, made with cooked potato starch. It's often added to hot pots during the winter. And here's a sesame variety from Kenko Foods. This one's pretty good. I've seen them put this one in here before, and yeah, it's just a standard instant noodle with a nice sesame taste. And then we've got some awasedashi. So this is going to just be a broth and I'm sure there's just like a bunch of little packets in here. Note the fish. I'm going to guess this has a strong bonito flavor. And this would go good with that malini noodle that you saw a couple ago. And now it's time for the bonus item. Hey! This month, the bonus item is wheat gluten fu for sukiyaki. Fu is a common Japanese healthy food used for soup and hot pot. This one in particular is made of flour and includes high nutrition so that it can be used for babies and kids' meals for added protein. Alright, so in this, the January 2021 Umai crate, you get some broth, sesame ramen, malini noodle, udon dappy, spicy seaweed ramen, shrimp tempura, spicy kitakata ramen, some fu, hakata ramen, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at Umai Crate over in Japan for shooting this over. Yeah, if you want to get one of these, go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount, call it good. Hey, this would be a good it's late in the game. I'm guessing I'm getting this out right around the 20th or so. So, yeah, if you're like lacking ideas of what to get people for Christmas, this is pretty good. So get something that shows up to their door every month and give them something to do. Because people need things to do, right? All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye. Bye.